Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so why you need to talk with each other? Bhavya, what you want to ask? Whom you are saying how are you, Apurva? Okay, I'm fine. I'm good. Okay. So what we were doing in our last class, we were doing the exercises of the chapter verb, right? Okay. So we have completed with the exercise A. Okay, and we were doing exercise B, right? Okay, remember everyone? Okay, so I'm writing again for you. Okay, so that if somebody has missed first and second, he can or she can write it. Okay, the B one is you need to underline the verbs in the following sentences and state whether they are the transitive or intransitive, right? And you have to take the correct box also, and you have to write the object of that transitive verb on the lines, right? Okay, so that day I have explained you while making the same, you can say the diagram which is being drawn in your books also, the type of the way they have been given in your books also, right? So there is one sentence is given, and after that they have made two blocks, right? One and two, right? And then they have given a dash to you, right? So what you have to do, the first one, that many students are learning Spanish, right? So is it a transitive verb? So top of the box it is written transitive. Excuse me. And on the second one also it is written intransitive. Okay. And for the dash they have written object, right? Okay. Means now you are visible. Okay. So in the first sentence, they are writing many students are learning Spanish. So you will tick on the transitive part, right? And the object here you will write Spanish, right? This way you will do it. Okay? Clear to everyone? Write down. Then the next is the boat sank rapidly. It is an intransitive. Again, two blocks are being made. I am doing this so that there is no confusion when you are writing on the board, in your book, sorry. Okay, so intransitive and no object. Clear? Why it is so? It is all perfect from here. I don't know. Okay, right? Then just write down. Okay, so now the first and second I have done. This is the intransitive one and it is the transitive one, right? First one, your first, and this is your second, right? First, transitive, Spanish. Second is intransitive, no object, right? Then comes the third one, right? Third one is he writes very speedily. Again, the blocks has been made, right? And intransitive, no object, right? Okay, right? Then comes the fourth one. Okay, okay. That is we cross the street safely. Okay, so it is the transitive and object is street, right? Write down fast. Note down. Note down, then we'll continue. If I don't know about these classes and all, if it will be closing, you will get the message, right? Message will come to your phone on your phones, right? I don't know about this, so you don't need to ask this question again and again, Priyanshi. Get that? Got it? Okay. Okay. Who told you about this? Why you are asking this question, Priyanshi? What happened? Who told you? Why you are asking this question? Yes, Priyanshi, I'm asking you. Okay, now Priyanshi don't want to reply, right? Okay, good. So have you done all of you this much? Okay. So we continue from the fifth one. Okay, I should rub so that it is clearly visible to you all. It is the fifth one. Okay. You are going to Jaipur, then where you are? What you are writing? Leave it. Okay, now fifth one. The bell rang loudly. This is your sorry. The bell rang Loudly is your intransitive. We'll click here, and for this we will write no object. Right? Okay, then comes the train stopped suddenly. Again, intransitive and no object. Right? Then the seventh one, the fire burnt the chair. Right? This is will be your transitive. Sixth, seventh one is your transitive, and this chair will be your object. Right? Okay. Now, second, after this comes the eighth one. Right? The sun rises in the east. That will be your intransitive, right? And no object. Okay. Lipika, stop writing this. I am writing on the board, beta. Why you need to write all this? If you have done, just check you whatever you have done is correct or not. Why you wasting your time and writing this? See from the board and check whatever you have done is correct. If it is correct, it is good. If some mistakes are there, correct them. That's it. Simple, you listen what I'm telling you. Right? It is good that you have done, it is good. But let others also do, right? While when you are typing like this, you are disturbing the whole class. Okay? No need to type the answers till I ask you. Right? Because I am very much sure now while teaching you that who had done and who all have not done. Right? Write down. Done. Okay. Others also do it fast. Aarti, Anish, Apurva, Aryan, Bhavya, Ditya, Umesh, Kushal, Navya, Prateek, Priyanshi, Sandeep. Do it fast, please. Yes, you have to do it in a books only, in your books only. Where you will do. Okay. So, last two also I am writing. Please see. This is your ninth one, and this is your 10th, right? So in ninth it is written, my sister is preparing breakfast, right? So it will be your transitive and object will be your breakfast, right? And the last is her voice echo through the hall. Okay, so this is also the transitive and it will be hall will be your object. Okay, the hall or hall will be your object, right? Do it this also fast, all of you. I have told you na, this is 9, 10. Yes, Pratik, clear? Okay, done. Done. Okay. So now we'll move to the exercise C, right? It is what you have to do. You have to find the verb and you have to find out the verb of the incomplete predication in the following sentences, and also you have to write the complements on their given lines, right? A complement of the verb is the dash given to you and the dash is given to you with a verb also. So we have to find both of them, right? So we'll start with number 1. ओके, ऊपर आपको यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है वर्ब, एक तो ब्लैंक है वर्ब का और एक है आपका कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ वर्ब, ठीक है। right? So Archana became a nurse. Okay, verb will be here is became. Okay, and complement क्या कर रहा है इसको? Nurse. Okay, they are talking. Who is nurse? So Archana is nurse over here. Okay, so Archana become kya? What sentence is being completed with a nurse? Okay, so you'll write here a nurse, right? Okay, then second, dinner smells good, right? So verb will be smell, right? And what it is that complementing is good. Okay, third, he seems relaxed. Okay, so seems, okay, and relaxed will be the complement for it. Okay, right? It is X, right? Okay, then fourth is the dress looked elegant. So looked will be your verb, right? And elegant is the complement for that. Done. Okay. So now we'll move to next. That is fifth one. That is he tastes sweet, right? So taste and sweet. Then comes sixth one. She looked ill. Looked ill. Seventh. The sky grew dark. Grew dark. Right? She appears innocent. Okay? Appears, right? And innocent. Do it, everyone. Okay. All have done? Okay. So now I hope you all have done this. So here we complete with the chapter that is verb, right? And in the next class we'll continue with the next chapter that is agreement of the verb with the subject, right? Okay. And those who have not done, do complete your work. Okay. Bye and take care of yourself. Bye all of you.